United States citizenship at risk. Yes, you heard that right. A shocking new plan from the Trump administration could put the citizenship of naturalized Americans into danger. We are not talking about undocumented migrants here. We are talking about people who went through the long, difficult, and official process to become the US citizens, and now that sacred status, it could be questioned. You're watching Times XP. My name is Vidya 3 and this is specifically for Indians. The US Citizenship and Immigration Services has issued a new internal guidelines. Under this particular plan, field officers are being asked to send 100 to 200 cases of naturalized citizens for review every single month. Every month for the entire 2026 fiscal year. You know the goal is? The goal is to identify citizens who could possibly lose their citizenship. Well, now this is causing outrage. Why? Because Democrats, including the Indian American Congresswoman Pramila Jayapal, they are very angry. Jayapal herself is a naturalized US citizen. She said that every US citizen should be upheld by this. If he can do this to them, he can certainly do this to you as well. Well, she warns that this is not about justice. It's about politics, control, intimidation. Trump's campaign of terror has never been about going after the worst of the worst. This latest move, it makes the one thing crystal clear. But you know who could be affected? Now, officially, the US law, it allows citizenship revocation only in cases of fraud, be it misrepresentation, be it very limited legal issues. But experts warn that this new plan, it could go much further. Even honest mistakes in your citizenship application, it could now trigger review. And that is creating fear among law-abiding Americans. 26 million naturalized Americans we are talking about, that's the scale. Every single year, over 800,000 people become US citizens, including millions of Indians. Some from Mexico, Philippines, Vietnam, and the Dominican Republic. Now imagine the anxiety this plan, it could really cause across the entire communities. You know what does the government say? So, the USCIS insists that this is about protecting the system from fraud. They say that we will pursue denaturalization for those who are lying or misrepresenting themselves during the naturalization process. But former officials, they have a different say on this, a different take. They say that setting arbitrary numerical targets, it politicizes the citizenship revocation. So the world is asking, what's next? Well, the Trump administration has made denaturalization a top priority this particular year. Category mentioned include gang members, financial fraudsters, drug cartel associates, violent criminals, but critics say that these targets, it could expand far beyond these groups, potentially affecting innocent citizens. But you know why now? This comes amid Trump's latest immigration rhetoric. In a recent speech, he claimed that the US was being invaded by millions of criminals, drug dealers, gang members, and even murderers. He has promised that it can never be allowed to happen again. This is the part of a broader effort to toughen the US immigration policy, but many fear that it could threaten even legal Americans. So here's the big question. Ladies and gentlemen, could your US citizenship be reviewed? Could it be taken away? Well, for millions of naturalized Americans, the answer is becoming uncertain now, dangerous and terrifying. Because in this new era, even the most sacred bond to American, your citizenship is no longer guaranteed.